Hi there, welcome back. I'm Mark. I'm glad you're with me today because I'm going to be drawing a candy cane for Christmas time. What you guys need for this drawing is a sheet of paper, a pencil, an ink pen, and some markers. Links to those products are down in the description below. Don't forget to watch the end when I color in this candy cane and show you what it turns into. All right, let's start by drawing the main candy cane shape. And I'm just going to draw a curve like this. This is going to be the inner part of the candy cane. And we're going to go down something like that. Now it depends which angle you want, but I'm just going to have mine angled towards the top right of my page. Then I'm going to round this bottom. Okay, and we're going to just follow that line. Follow this line the same all the way. Try to keep the same thickness all the way through until you meet up with the other end. And once you get to the other end, this will be rounded and will join back together. Okay, so there's our main candy cane shape. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a bow. So before I put the stripes in the candy cane, let's draw a bow over here. So right about in a good spot here, about in the middle of the length here. I'm just going to draw this circular shape. So this will be the circular shape of the inner part of the bow, the middle part of the bow. Then I'm going to go over to my right and I'm going to kind of draw this like a sideways heart shape in a sense. It's kind of like a little heart shape like that. Okay, then there's going to be a little round shape like this. Then I'll draw another shape over to the left. This will come up, come down, and then meet back up like this. Over here we'll have these two little creases like that. Then I'll draw a secondary bow shape right here, and this will come up. And from this side, I'll draw one that kind of comes down and wraps back up like that. Now there's going to be two little ribbons. I'll draw the front one first. So I'm going to start halfway where my circle is, right about here. And I'm going to come and curve this over to the left. I'm going to do this little V shape, upside down V. And then I'm going to bring this up and meet back like that, right in there. Then I'm going to draw another V, or I'm going to draw a line here over to the left. Then I'll do this other V shape. And then this one's going to come and meet like that. All right, so we have our little ribbons. And then we have our bow. We could draw a little like highlight over here. You could put some like highlight shapes like that. All right, now I'm going to draw the candy cane stripes. We're going to draw a curve like this. And then we're going to curve like that. And we'll just start curving over from the left. And we're going to come down like this. Then we're going to do another one here. And you can see I'm kind of wider at the top and a little narrower at the base. And then on this side, this one will kind of change direction and curve this way. Then we'll do another one right here. Then we can draw, I'm going to start from the bottom here, draw one like this. And then I'll get another one right here. Like that. Next thing I'll do is I'll use my ink pen and we'll outline the candy cane. Next we'll grab an eraser and erase all of those pencil lines. Well, if yours didn't turn out like my candy cane did, it's okay. Just go down in the description, click the link, and you can download the coloring page and have fun coloring this in as I'm doing right now. Well, there you go. There's our Christmas candy cane. I hope you enjoyed drawing this with me. If you liked it, please like the video. And why not subscribe to my channel? I do videos every weekday, and I want to see you at the next one. Till then, see you then. Bye-bye.